Soundcheck with Reckless Betty, who will be at the Horse Lovers Day Breast Cancer event at Leatherman Lane on September 17th. Hope you guys are going to come out, see them, all the other bands, and awesome stuff we've got going on for you. It should be a great day.
Forgiveness ain't the first time things have gone astray. You throw it all away. Now cuts like a knife.
Hopefully you're planning on coming out, checking them out, seeing everything that we've got going on for you. This event is getting huge. It's free to attend. It's for an amazing cause, the Go Jazz Go Foundation of Charlotte, and we want you here with us. So hopefully you can make it out.
Fate, all the secrets like old lovers do, like your face never shows the same to me. Time will heal the pain, but it just goes on forever. Wonder who's crying now.
Hey guys, we are out here doing sound check with Reckless Betty, who is going to be at the Horse Lovers Day Breast Cancer event on September 17th here at Leatherman Lane. Have a little barn gathering, getting ready for the event, checking these guys out. Maybe one more. Share that with you in a little bit. He was here earlier. Super excited about the music, about the food, about the vendors, about the horses, about just absolutely everything that we have going on for you guys that day. We hope you're getting as excited as we are. We hope you got your free tickets at Eventbrite or have RSVP'd to the Facebook event. Most of all, we hope to see you here.
Fate, all the secrets like old lovers do, like your face.